Can you believe this? It's August already? Where is 2025 going and why is it going so fast? Before we start, I want to give a huge shout out to Neewer for making these contests possible month after month. Thank you, Neewer, so much. Your generosity is just literally mind-blowing. And you guys, congratulations on your sales. Thank you so much for participating, and I really hope that you're selling more and more of these images. At least, I hope you're getting out of your comfort zone and shooting things that you never thought you would be shooting for stock photography. That was my goal with this video. Remember, photography is not just about shooting things, it's about growth. And that's what I hope these challenges are making you do, is growing as a photographer. But anyway, let's jump in here real quick and talk about the prize for the August 2025 Wollertz Photography competition. Now, the prize for this month is gonna be a big one, and it's right here in front of you. It's actually a kit, it's a bundle. Look at this. 2 heavy-duty air cushion light stands. Huh? And not just 1, but 2 Softbox diffusers. And here is the other one. All right, let's talk about a heavy-duty air cushion light stand. What does that mean? Look, it's like it's got a suspension. Look at this. Okay, look. It's a race to the bottom. Let's see how fast they go. Can you hear that? Very simple height adjustment. You just turn and lock. Now, they also come with a 1/4" screw or the 3/8", and they're reversible. So whatever thing you're mounting on here, you have that option. And it's a 3-way mount. It could go sideways, up and down, or the other side. So it's flexibility that I never had before, and this is actually really cool. Strong and stable construction, I mean, it is solid. The page says it holds up to like 11 pounds, but I think it holds more than that. I mean, I'm gonna trust Neewer, but I think it holds more than 11 pounds. Some of my other ones are so rusted, I can't even open them. This one is just super easy, it glides. It just makes life so much easier. And this one doesn't rust, it's all metal construction. It's got rubber feet so it doesn't scratch your floors. I mean, they thought of everything. Anyway, that is the 2 of the air cushion light stands that are part of this price. Now let's get into the softboxes. Before I show you the new diffusers, the prices, let me show you what I was using in the past. So this is what I started with, and yes, is there a date here? No. Anyway, I bought this in like 2010, 2011. And look at this, oh, there's a piece. Dropped it again. This is how I used to go to restaurants and set up and then do a photo shoot. Look at this. All right, let's throw a timer up on the screen and let's see how long it takes me to put this together. Ready? This is the inside screen. You gotta clip it. Done, time. All right, so there it is. It is a Bowen's mount softbox. This is what I used to take to restaurants. I have 3 of them, and I used to take them and do this before every photo shoot. I want you to remember that. This is the NS17. It's a 17-inch rectangular softbox. Look at that. I even have the grid on it already. Ready to go. This one is the NS90P, which is a parabolic softbox. Now, are you ready for this? This one's bigger, so let's set a timer on the screen and see how long it takes me to put this one together. Done. Which one do you think I would like to take to a restaurant? And look at that, the grid's already on there. I put it away with the grid on. Having the right tool for the job makes life a lot easier. So heavy duty light stands, soft boxes, these are things that we don't talk about or consider, But to have this as a price, in my opinion, is awesome because you can apply it to any type of photography. Portraits, food, stock photography. For cocktails, you get the nice little shallow line on the glass and a glass of wine. For stock video, professional lighting at your fingertips. So again, Neewer, thank you so much for this. The NS17S, this rectangular softbox, is made for video lights or outdoor studio strobes. This is awesome because you could take it outdoor, indoor, you can use it for any of your photography needs because it's Bowens mount. And it is the same thing with the NS90P. It features a glossy silver lining that broadens and diffuses the output while retaining natural color rendering index, the CRI, and the color temperature. The even light distribution can minimize blemishes and shadows, smoothen your skin, and define facial structures. Just like this one that I have here. You can see how soft my skin look. And literally, yeah, I do have a softbox right here right now. Lightweight nylon alloy quick folding design. That is my favorite feature, is how quick. You just push the button and it snaps. Pull up the ribs to unfold and lock the softbox in seconds. Just push and hold the quick release to fold up. And impeccable shape that can withstand tens of thousands of presses without deformation. I use these every day. I've been using some of these softboxes every day. And when I film, I set it up, take it down, set it up, take it down. And I've used this one right here for over a year and it's standing up to the test. So I can say that they're very high quality. Even the mounting plate is upgraded with nylon alloy to ensure the lightweight yet durable design that is robust, anti-rust, and can withstand daily wear. Huh, so that has nylon in here too? Interesting, cool. Once folded, the collapsible softbox easily fits into a drawstring carry bag, ideal for weddings, parties, portraits, product photography, fashion shoots. Easy to carry, super lightweight. You fold it up, stick it in here, and you can take it wherever you want to go to do your next photo shoot. And again, because it is a standard Bowens mount, you could use this one just like you can this other one here. So you could use it with cob lights, you could use it with strobes or whatever flash you have. So it's really designed to help in any situation. Anyway, thank you Neewer for providing these prices because again, awesome. Everybody can benefit from something like this. All right, now let's get back to the contest because as you saw at the beginning, this could be a little tricky or complicated. All right, so the theme for this contest, August 2025, the theme is Black Friday. Black Friday in August? Yes, you heard that right. I don't know if you remember, but we based these photo shoots on my stock photography calendar, thanks to Shoot Now, so that we can start maximizing on those sales. Black Friday things are gonna start selling now because advertisers need time to push this out. If you want that calendar, my 28 monthly ideas to what to shoot for stock, go to wollertzphotography.com all the way to the bottom and download your free guide. And I know what you're thinking, Black Friday is a US holiday. Yes, I know, but look, I grew up in Costa Rica. Black Friday was never a thing until a few years ago. We even celebrate Thanksgiving now in Costa Rica. The US is a very commercial country and all this spreads out and every other country is gonna start celebrating a lot of these things. I mean, now we're at Cyber Monday and all these things, but the theme for this contest is going to be Black Friday. Yes, this is tough, I know. Last month, everybody was freaking out because it's the World Teachers Day and it's summer. Kids are out, there's no school. Whether you're in the US or not, well-executed commercial images around Black Friday are going to sell. And that is the challenge, is that you have 2 weeks to upload up to 3 photos and we're in August. Not even the weather's gonna cooperate because it doesn't even look like November. This is what I want to see. I want to see photos selling and promoting Black Friday. That photo that says, wow, yes, that's it. That's Black Friday. That's what I want to see for this contest. Yes, this is not easy, and that's the whole point. Somebody's going to win all of this. We can't make it easy. We have to get creative. Now, for the sample images, for all that stuff you saw in the beginning, I thought I'd try to build something out of nothing, out of paper and lights and different things. I even used a fog machine to see how it turned out. I actually need a smaller fog machine, one of those little ones that you can control. This was inspired by another YouTuber. I'll put a link down below, but his channel is Felix Alejandro Hernandez, and he does incredible photography with miniatures and different things, but his creative process is what led me to do something like this, which is awesome. I'm never gonna be as good as him at doing stuff like this, but I like to play and see what comes out. I think I ended up with a couple of good shots, just literally playing around with lights and shadows and silhouettes and handmade things that have the potential of selling. As always, make sure to read all the rules because things may have changed from last month. Also remember, YouTube has nothing to do with this contest. It's just me, Wollertz Photography, and Neewer that's shipping out the prices. When it comes to shipping, remember there's limitations, so check those out as well in the official rules website, which there's links down below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. This is gonna be very interesting. Black Friday sales in August. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Can't wait to see what you create.